Hi, my name is Timo and I'm going to show you step 4 of the Nacera advanced process, Finalize, using Nacera inspection. This step is important because you can detect microfractures after sintering, try-ins and adjustments. You can avoid cracks during the sintering process like layering and glazing, but have a look for yourself.
Nacera inspection is a testing agent for zirconium oxide. It shows fractures, areas with defects or porosity. Microfractures can occur when zirconium is processed either by milling, grinding, or due to thermal stress while sintering and layering or glazing. The fractures, however, cannot be detected with the naked eye. To detect these blemishes before further processing, you can dip the units in the detection fluid, wash the excess liquid away, and the residue of the liquid trapped in possible cracks will be visible under ultraviolet light. Nacera inspection offers security and quality control for the lab. It gives you an economic advantage in detecting damaged units before they go to the mouth and prevents the patient, dentist, and you from the unpleasant duty to redo the work.